Good morning, or hello for whenever you may be watching this. In today's video, we'll be doing a reset. Thought it'd be quite good to show you what I get up to in order to reset and prepare for a new week. As you will have already seen, got a few bits done already this morning. That wash load that you saw me put on has just finished, so we'll get that out to dry and crack on with what the day brings. Let's go! Before we get started with the washing, I just wanted to show you what state the utility room was in. I had to tidy away our clean washing in order to get said washing out of the machine. Quite a common occurrence, as I'm sure it is for everybody else on this planet. For me personally, I like to start my reset days strong, and for me that is always going to start with a wash load. A morning routine consisting of a dog walk is very normal. Washing, not so much. So as soon as that load was out and the clean washing was away, I got to work on putting another wash load in the machine. I then just cracked on with giving the utility just a general little tidy. As I'm sure you've all heard before, a tidy space equals a tidy mind. At this point, I would just like to point out this beautiful little system that I am using, and if you haven't seen my last video, I highly recommend you go check it out because it shows how I came about using the basket method. I now rave about it. All my friends and family, it is the one. This is where we're at now. I've just mopped the floor, which is why the mop is still out. The towels over there are for another wash load, and it is looking so much nicer, ready for a fresh week. I'm now going to give the kitchen a quick clean. Me and Tom are going out in about half an hour, so I've got 30 minutes to get sorted. And then later on, when I come to do some meal prep for the week, the kitchen is nice and ready to go. So the kitchen is now clean and tidy, ready for when we get back. So all of this is what I will be using to just prep and prepare for the week, really. We are now back from town, and as you will have seen, we had a Subway. I got into a little bit of a rut watching YouTube, so it is now a couple of hours later from when I last spoke to you. So the next thing that I want to do is make some food. So I've got some super ripe bananas, I'm going to incorporate them into maybe muffins for breakfast, and I'm going to make my lunches. So I've got some turkey mince. Let's see if I can whip up something fairly exciting that will actually get me through my work day. I am a foodie. I absolutely love my food. Cannot express that enough to you all in the slightest. And so prepping some food here and there helps me to make sure I'm keeping those right choices going day in, day out, especially when I'm getting the slump at work. I also love the feeling that I get from being organised in the first place, just sorting this out, getting it ready. I'm going to sleep well tonight. Meal prepping can not only help to keep your day on track, but also have financial and time-saving benefits. So if you're super busy or looking to save some cash, it could definitely be worth giving a try. One of my last jobs for resetting the space today is to clean this bathroom. Hopefully the camera does not show up quite how grim it is in here. So it's not going to be a deep clean, but it's not just going to be a quick surface clean either. I will give it a good scrub. I have just stripped the bed, shamefully of me. I did not do that this morning. So just wanting to let the mattress breathe whilst that's off. Once I've done the bathroom, I'll go and put the clean bedding back on. Cleaning the bathroom is definitely not one of my favourite jobs to do at all. However, like many other things, it has to be done. And it is always surprising how once the job's done, I feel so good. And there's always a small part of me that falls back in love with the room again. I guess really that's a part of the whole reset, is just making you feel lighter mentally and better prepared for the week ahead. I'm going to be totally honest with you right now. So, having just done the bathroom and changed the bedding, I'm now at a point where I've had enough. I'm going to set a timer. I'm going to smash out the last bit. Ideally, what I'd like to do is freshen up the living room and hoover everywhere. My time is going to be 20 minutes. So, let's see what I can get done. I have 2 minutes left on my timer. The whole house is now hoovered, so let's get cracking with the living room. Not sure if I just recorded the last 2 minutes that I had to tidy the living room, but this is what we're looking like. Didn't get to finish sorting out the coffee table. We've still got a random bag of dog food, and there's still some newness to sort out, and ignore this. So that is my reset day today. Bit of cleaning, bit of food prep. Sorry about that. The banana muffins smell beautiful. And that is going to go ahead and wrap up today's reset video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please can you give the video a like or drop a comment. It really helps so that I know I'm on the right kind of track with things you like to watch. I did make the banana muffins, but I'm also aware that I didn't show that. I'm just very conscious that there was way too much food in the end with this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, sign off for the day. Hope you have a wonderful week, whatever you're getting up to, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!